Hello students of class 8, those who are studying understand and communicate. As I have explained the lesson and the word meanings I have explained, now come towards the second part of the exercise, that is the question number 2. Give the meaning of each sentence in your own words. Students, I will read each sentence and give its description on your copy. And the urge to find the new lands beyond the Europe led to an unprecedented increase in knowledge about this planet. तो अब इसका आंसर जो है मैं पढ़ूंगी. It was an important to find the new lands, and those who are ahead of the Europe will have to study the new things about it. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी था कि यूरोप के जो नए एरियाज़ हैं वो एक्सप्लोर किए जाएं ऑन दैट टाइम. तो वहाँ पर जो नए एरियाज़ यूरोप में एक्सप्लोर किए गए, इट वाज पॉसिबल फॉर टू एक्सप्लोर द न्यू थिंग्स ऑन दैट टाइम. तो यहाँ पे जो सेकंड लाइन है अब मैं वो पढ़ूंगी. डिस्कवरी टू लेट to overseas commitment that influence the rise and fall of the nations in Europe. Answer is, all new exploration depends upon the people who came from the other places, and its development and the downfall depends upon people's interest and their new efforts to introduce the new things. Next is part C. Bullion was not just a wealth but the means of obtaining the wealth. तो उनकी जो मेन वेल्थ थी वो गोल्डन और सिल्वर कॉइन्स थे. तो ऑन दैट टाइम जो थे उन्होंने दूसरी चीज़ें भी परचेज करनी थी. फॉर दैट पर्पस बुलियन वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बुलियन वॉज अ हीप ऑफ कॉइन एंड gold and the silver through which they avail the other opportunities, or the European can purchase the things for nation. Part D. The crusading motive was perfectly genuine, though it too had its practical side. तो स्टूडेंट इसमें क्रूसेड्स के बारे में पूछा गया है. इन हिस्ट्री अगर हम देखें, इन 11th and 13th century the crusade known as Salibi Jungs. In Urdu you can say, our purpose was to bring the change among the Christians and take back their religious places. Crusade motive was to develop the belief in Christians, तो उनके beliefs को enhance करना. Now part E. None of the material need that unduly the pressure for exploration could have been satisfied without seaworthy ships and the skillful mariners. तो वहाँ पे जो उनकी मेन जो थी जो उनकी वेल्थ या जो उनकी मटेरियल्स थे उसमें जो यूटिलाइज करने का जो मेन काम था, दैट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल एंड वर्दी शिप्स थे, और उनमें स्किलफुल जो काम करने वाले पीपल थे, मैरिनर्स जो थे, दे वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैम. No material is useful in the exploration of new things unless the appropriate ships and the skillful mariners to part the material in the Europe. So they were very important on that time. So the next part is, in each case choose the best answer. The Renaissance voyage of discovery had the dash effect on the present day world, that is a great effect. Which statement about the Renaissance voyage of discovery is false? They began in 14th century. And which of the following is a claim made by the writer? Some of the civilization in their part of the world were equal in some ways in that of the Western Europe. Part 4. The exploration became more significant in Europe in the 15th century when the government became actively involved in it. And number 5. In the 15th century, Europe apparently had insufficient gold. As we have studied. Part 6. In the 15th century, the European used spices mainly to make food edible. And part 7 is, the crusading motive refers to the desire of the European to get non-Christians to accept their faith. In separating Christianity, the European nations hoped also to get what. Part 8. In spreading the Christianity, the European nations hoped also to get what they needed more easily. And part 9 is the initiative for exploration came from the European nation and not from other nation in 15th century because of the unique combination of needs, skills and imaginations. Part 10. One important reason for the European nations' success in exploration is they alone possess both seaworthy ships and skillful mariners. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें जो थी वो उनके पास मौजूद थी. Skillful people to work in the ships and the seaworthy ships were also there. So students, I have done the exercise. This was the multiple choice I have done for you, and in the next video we will read the next chapter. Take care. Bye bye.